Vice Principal, Sri Shanmugha College of Engineering and Technology, Sangagiri, Salem. Also a head of the Department of Computer Science Engineering. So today I will share the screen for the induction program for computer science engineering students and also for all the department students. Okay. So the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, first of all, hearty welcome to the new first year students SSCT come to SSCT family. Okay. So actually I appreciate for all of you. So you have right chosen the correct college. Why I am saying that this message? Because of you are select a good college and good opportunity to get a placement for. Definitely at the end of your program, you get a good salary, good placement for the top level companies. I will assume. Okay. Here in the introduction, why we select for the computer science engineering students? So normally the computer science engineering students have the different ability, different programming knowledge, and also compared to the other branches, so the computer science engineering students have little bit the more knowledge about that programming. So the computer science students have get a good salary for compared to the other departments because of the most companies that wanted for the placement record for and also the higher packages for the students. Okay. So in our department, I happy to say that our department, computer science engineering department, is started in the year 2011-12. So with the intake of 60 students. So first initially we start the CSE department. Actually basically the 2011 to 2012. So we started our college's 4 programs: mechanical engineering, computer science engineering, electronics and communication engineering, civil engineering. So basically we start with the 4 programs with the intake of 60. So in particularly computer science engineering, 11 to 12, 60 intake. So student intake is total intake is 60, 12 to 13 60, 13 to 14 60, and up to now 21 to 22 is also a 60 intake for the other department. And also we have a one PG program, that is Master of Engineering, Computer Science Engineering. So the MECS it was started in the year 2012 to 2013 with the intake of 80 students. So in our department we have a one additional PG program. So ME CSE program with the intake of 80 students. So 13, 14, 18, 14, 15, 18, 15, 16, 18, 16, 17, 18, and up to 21, 22 now also yeah, 18 students for the intake. So our department, CSE department, so started in the year 2011. In 2000, UG program was started in 2011 and PG program was started in the department 2012. Then 2013, we start a IIT remote center. So we get a funded, we have generated a fund, rupees 70 lakhs from the central government. So we conducted a various programs for faculty training programs and also a student training program with the help of IIT remote center. Our college is recognized as a IIT remote center. And 2014, we got 3 university ranks. Three university ranks we got. And at the year in the year 2014, as a member of Institute of Engineer. We joined a Institute of Engineering, the society-oriented engineering associations. So we joined in the year 2014. And also 93% of graduates get a degree in the year 2014. And 2015, we get a one university rank and also a one student. I happy to say that one student got a placement with higher salary of 13 lakhs per annum for the IVTL Info. IVTL Info View. In 2016, we signed with various companies for the MOU. Okay, we have give the MOU for the benefit of students to getting knowledge with sharing with the knowledge with the different companies. We signed with MOU three companies. So the company names maybe the company names are B Square, Skill Matrix, and NIIT. So these MOU is very useful for the students for the placement training also, skill development also. And, we got one Chief Minister award for the e-governance system. One student get an award from the e-government system through Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu at the time of Jayalalitha. We got a prize in the 2016. Students have get a prize award through the Tamil Nadu government. And 2017, one university rank. We got one university rank for the non-university, and we started two companies, two incubation companies. We started this Captech Solutions and Griffey Technologies in the year 2017. So the incubation companies is very useful to start up with a small medium projects, and also they have to give the training for our students. For example, the students have actually in the morning session the students attend a class, and after session they have to get a company oriented training, company specific training for the benefit of students. They get suppose the company have get or shortlisted the students, they have to get their opportunities to work for the company related environments. That's the purpose for the our management start here two incubation companies. It's called K-Tech Solutions and Griffey Technologies. So this company started in the 2000 started in the year 2017, and 2018 another two more companies, Hatlet Technologies and E2 Infosystem. This is also a incubations company started for the year 2018 with the benefits of the students. This company also provide a placement training and also a internship opportunities for the students, and also these companies are a MNC company, so multinational company. These companies provide a placement opportunities for the students. And 2019, FE-Track Skyline. So another two incubations company we started. So this company also provide a placement related activities and also a placement for the students. So the same benefit for that, the six companies have provided the internship opportunities for the students inside the campus. So it is effectively utilized for the students. Many number of students have selected in this company. And also in the 2019, we sponsored a Smart India Hackathon event. Today, this event is conducted in Sri Krishna Engineering College, Coimbatore. Nearly 500 colleges, more than 500 colleges has participated in the Smart India Hackathon coding contests. So various states, various universities, various students, various colleges they have to participate, and we have to sponsor the best coding award for the software industries. So who is the real-time solution provider? So we have to give a contest for who is best industry oriented, then society oriented beneficial projects. We have to sponsor for a 1 lakh rupees for the Smart India hackathons. So various activities we have to started in the starting of the 2011 to up to 2021. Recently now two more companies, Finchitech and another one companies that is called actually the Finchitech company has started in the year 2020 for the placement opportunities and also the internship companies. Now second year students, third year students and fourth year students. So nearly 10 to 15 students they have to work in these internship opportunities for these students get a placement opportunities, and also the internship opportunities for the incubation companies. They have work to afternoon session. They have to go and in the morning session they have to finish their class. In afternoon they have to attend the internship and also a real learning examples from the industries. And these achievements and recognitions for the department. Our department have various achievements and recognitions. So this is a e-learning contribution for the various faculties. In our faculty members, they have to presented a various e-learning contributions to the internet. So here the housing is provide the topic mobile IP, the total view of the overall view of the students. They have to view 41,000 viewers have to appreciate it for the topic mobile IP for the mobile IP presentation for the internet classes. And also the various faculties have to contribute to the various e-learning contributions is there. So also we actually R&D contribution, research and development contribution for the consultancy oriented project. It is called e-classroom. So actually this project is completed with the worth of 16 lakhs the tie-up with UK companies. So we majorly our college that means our departments majorly contribute for the R&D related activities, research and development. So why we go for the research and development activities? Because some students have good knowledge, some students have thinking capacity is extraordinary. So based on the thinking capacity of the students, we have to select the particular students, then we have to train. So they have to publish a more number of papers in the journals, conferences, and also we have to motivate the students to participate in the seminars and also workshops. So R&D activity in our department is very good. So we have to more number of projects we have to sponsor and develop to the various companies, and they have to submit the results. Okay. And also we received a 17 lakhs from the central government for, through the IIT Bombay Remote Center. I already discussed in the beginning. So the IIT Remote Center is one of the central government and institute. So these institutes is tied up with our college, CSE, Shanmugha College of Engineering and Technology. So our computer center is also recognized with IIT Remote Center. So through this center, we have to conduct. We have also conducted various programs in the various programs through IIT Bombay Remote Center, so faculty development programs, seminars, and workshops. So we have to successfully completed for the various events. And in our department, have recognized 3 PhD supervisors from Anna University. And suppose students are willing to study UG here and PG here, and also PhD also they have to study here in the through Anna University 8 seats. So 3 supervisors they have got PhD. They organized to supervisor in Anna University, Chennai. And also 2 PhD holders are awarded in our department, and 3 members are pursuing the PhD, and 1 patent. So we have to, based on the R&D concept, they have to new concept, we have to apply for the patent. So we have to we have to recognize the R&D activities through patent publication. So we have to publish 1 patent publications in our department, and also the students are very well interested and very much interested to develop a product development in the software industries. Here the internship companies are there, the incubation companies are there, nearly 10 incubation companies in our college. So these companies, they have to give a real-time project for the students. They have to develop a various number of live projects for the society-oriented projects. They have to develop and they have to submit the product developments. Nearly 15 product developments they have to submit. So the faculty, in our departments, they have to participate. Our faculty members are actually well qualified, and also they have to participate various events. There is nearly 130 events that they have to participated in the FTP, workshop, conferences, industrial training also. So nearly 130 events they have to participate. So they have get a knowledge from that, rich knowledge from the various events. And also they have to publish research-oriented publications. Total publications, nearly 21 publications they have to research-oriented publications. So because the students who have that very well connect with the staff. Then also they have to benefit it also. What is the current trends? What are the working is going on? What is the research working is going on? And how they have to develop the new idea. So definitely in our department students they have to achieve. They have to achieve good R&D activities with the help of the faculty members. And also we have to produce a good research. The analysis research, every time we have to produce a good research compared to the other colleges. Actually, in our college has first rank in the Salem zone. So that's only the students are very like to join our colleges. They have to maximum the women students. They have to really interested to join our college. So academic performance level. So we have achieved a first rank compared to the other colleges in Salem zone. And here we have to teaching learning methodologies. So how to teach it? In our school, how through a blackboard teaching, you have to also from first standard to 12th standard, many students they have to through a blackboard teachings. Here we have to conduct a different learning methodologies, cooperative learning, and learning via industrial visits. Some students are interested to go for the industrial visits. So every year, so we go for the industrial visit nearby companies, Payattur or Bangalore. So students are learned to it's a real life, real situations. They have to learn real what is the actually industry is going on. So easily they have to understand. So we have to learning with the industrial visits. So mentor mentee faculty. So here our department have 15 students have one mentor. Actually, 50 students have one mentor. One mentor. So in our colleges, 15 students have one mentor with the guidance for any issues, family related issues or academic related issues, any issues you have to share with your mentor. Okay. Then visual learning, so real learning and visual learning, e-learning. So then another one is project-based learning. So we give you a small project in the second year, small mini project. We have to provide a mini project in second year, and also the final projects in the final year. So major projects in the final year. So the project-based learning, so students easy to learn. What is the concept? What is the process? What is the real problem they have to analyze, and how to this problem can be solved through the project-based learning. So definitely the students are getting knowledge from the project-based learning. So they have beginning from the starting how to select a project, how to select a area. Some students are interested for the network side, and some students are interested for the image processing, and some students are interested for the data mining or database. So we have to easily identify which students that have to interested for the particular domain area. So based on the domain area, then we have to go for the project-based learning. So they have to easily understand that what is the concept actually is there. So based on the interest, based on the concept, you have to segregate the students in some group. They have to learn. They have to learn from the project-based learning. And I happy to announce that our department have various university rank holders in past some years. So, for example, in the ME degrees holders, we have 4 rank holders in the ME PG graduate students. So, 30th rank and 36th rank all over Tamil Nadu, 37th rank, 45th rank, and also UG students also got a good ranking from nearly 5 to 6 ranks from the last 5 to 6 years. They have to get every year, maximum every year they have to get a good rank. It's a first rank or second rank or third rank up to 10th rank. to 10th rank they have to achieve it. So we have, in our department is a very good that achievements in the university level. So and also here the NPTEL online certificates, we have to motivate every students for each and every students from second year onwards. From second year onwards, we have to motivate to register for the NPTEL online certification courses. So the NPTEL online is IIT based learning for through a online learning systems. Through in our actually the student Abu Bakr City is last year graduated students, 21 graduated students. So actually he was got a placement for Jogo company. So he get a job. He get a job from the Jogo company. Because of that, they have to participate in the more number of the NPTEL oriented certificate courses. Actually, he got a two silver medals in the programming languages, and I think that programming Java and Python programming. He also he got a silver medal for the NPTEL online certificate courses based on the certifications. So why I am sharing this, saying that message, because the NPTEL online certificate course is very useful for the top level company placements. Only the certification of NPTEL online certification is based on the Abu Bakr Siddiq have got a placement from Job. Actually, he is a very good knowledge for programming style. So any logic, any error, or any problem we given, that within 10 to 15 minutes he is solved, and they have to submit the answer. So every year he is voluntarily participating in the NPTEL oriented certifications. So based on the certifications, he got a placement for Joe company. So we have encouraged for NPTEL online certifications. So second year onwards, second year students have participated for the NPTEL online certifications, third year and fourth year students. Why I am saying this message, because NPTEL online courses based on NPTEL certification courses, you get definitely you get a higher packages with the top level companies. So we motivate the students. We train your students through NPTEL online certifications. And next, why the vision and POs of our department? What is the vision, mission, and POs of our department? So, vision. What is vision? To create a holistic environment for the development of academic and intellectual engineering graduates, employable at global level, and to mold them through comprehensive education program for developing their competency and innovation apart from the inculcating the moral values. So our department vision how to develop a computer science engineering graduates to the intellectual engineering graduates. So normal students into the intellectual students. So because today we know that today world is a competitive world. So how the students can able to achieve that goal, how to get a job, how to survival of that in the real life. So we actually motivate the students to achieve for the goals. So this is our vision of our department. So we produce a good engineer, not for the good engineer, intellectual engineer for the computer science. So we provide a holistic environment. So R&D activities, we have to give a training, placement training, technical training, skill training. So every opportunities we have to create it, and become a good engineer. We will definitely we solid to make a good engineers for the in the future world. And as a mission, why we go for the mission? So vision is what is the vision of our department, and why what is the mission of our department? So the mission one is ensuring the academic growth by way of establishing centers of excellence and promoting collaborative learning. We have to collaborative learning, and also the faculty training programs on contemporary technical educations. So what is the current trend? What is the novelty of this today technique? So every teachers, every faculties, they have to promote a the academic backgrounds. They have to enhance the academic backgrounds and motivate the students to be successful, ethical, and suitable for industry ready. So industry oriented training we have to give in. And also promoting research based projects. So promoting a research based projects in the emerging area of technology conversions for the benefit of students and faculty. So we arranged for various FDP programs, various workshops, various seminars. So for the emerging areas of the technology conversations. So the students can able to get a new knowledge, new ideas. So novel ideas they definitely get for through our development. Okay. And also the program educational, why the program education objectives we have to go for it, actually this the one is the basic skills. So what is the basic skills and technical knowledge and managerial skills. So three skills we require for the computer science engineers. So basic skills, technical knowledge and managerial skills. So thoroughly we get a three skills, definitely we would a intellectual engineers. We become a intellectual engineers. And in our department, we have four professional societies. Through the professional societies, we have to organize various events. We have a Computer Society of India, ICT Academy, Institution of Engineers, National Cyber Defense Research Center. So the four professional societies we have here, various functions and various events organized. So, for example, we have to organize in the 2018-19. So, national level and state level and institute level. We have to organize the different level of participants, and also the many college students have to participated in the event, and many students they have to produce the skill variety of skills, and they have to get a knowledge. Okay, then also the Professional Society with ICT Act and IE and NCERT with various events we have to organize for the last 3 to 4 years. Totally 19 events we have to organize. Why we organize these events? Because the students community have get new ideas, new knowledge, new skills. They can automatically develop. And also, we provide a OD for seminar participation for other colleges. Suppose when students are willing, so some students are interested to participate for paper presentation for the various organizations and various seminars. They have to interested. So we have to appreciate. We have to encourage the students to apply. They have to participate to the various institutions through the national seminar or national conferences or national workshops. So we encourage the students to participate in the various events. And in the inter and institute events, we have to inter and interstate events. For the last 3 to 4 years, so many students they have to participate in the various events like paper presentations, symposium, workshop, technical fees. So nearly 80 students and 2018-19, 2017-18, 23 students got the first prize, second prize, and third prize. So the prize is definitely our college students they have got and first prize or second prize or third prize for the various technical event. They have to participate in the within the state, and also they have to some students. I think that 2018 to 19 that 2 to 3 students they have to participate in the paper publication for the other side state. That's a Kerala. They have to go and participate in the national conferences. They have to present the ideas in the national conferences. Actually, the students got a second prize, the national level conferences, and also some students they have to participate in the various technical events. Get a prize also. They have nearly 10,000 prize, 10,000 rupees prize for cash prize awarded for the various events. Also, our students are. Got it. Here, this data for the first prize, second prize, and third prize. Actually, in 2018-19, 28 students got a first prize, and second prize, and third prize. So, in 2017-18, is 9 students go for that inter and intrastate various events participated. And 2016 and 17, 11, so totally 48 students they have to participated and get a first prize, second prize, and third prize. So if the students are interested, definitely we encourage it, and they provide a OD for 2 or 3 days. They go for outside the state, and they have to participate in the national or international conferences or various level, technical level participations. We definitely we encourage for the our students. And also we have a technical magazines and newsletter in our department. Have the technical magazines. Some students are interested to present a that drawing competitions or some useful competitions that have to participate. So we in this regard we have to publish a technical magazines and newsletter in the every year. Actually, we collected for the total events for the last 1 year. Then after that 1 year we collected. Then after that we have to publish a technical magazines and a newsletter. So in our department we have various events we have to conducted, and some students are participating in other side events. So all the events and prizes are we have to collected, and they have to publish here magazines every year. At the end of March or April, we have to publish here technical magazines and newspapers. So these are the industry institute interactions. I already told that it's various incubation companies inside the campus. Here it's a Tech. The first company is Tech. They have provided internship and placement opportunities for our students, second year and third year, fourth year students. And Tech, second company name is Tech Solutions. So they also provide internship and placement opportunities. And Catlet, third company is Catlet Technology. This company also provide internship and placement opportunities. And E2 Info Systems. So this company provide technology training and placements. Suppose the students are willing to for that Java or C or C++. So technology based training that's provided to Info Systems. So suppose the students are good and well, they have to train, and they provide a placement opportunities also. They have to give the opportunities for our students to work in the company, MNC company, that you need to Info Systems. And next incubation company is Efitrack. Efitrack is Coimbatore-based company. So the company also provide a internship and a placement. So also they started a incubation center in our college. So Efitrack, more in our alumni is various number of nearly 4 to 5 members they have to work in Efitrack companies. And the next one is a Consensus Technologies, also a provide a technical training for the various related areas. And the Tech is actually this company is started by our one of the alumni in EC department. He was on 2017 batch. He started a own company in our campus. So the Tech is also provide a internship and a placement opportunities for the students. And next, actually, so facility and technical support, teaching labs and special laboratories. In our college, we have 5 laboratories for in our campus. So the 5 laboratories are network laboratory, mobile computing laboratory, advanced computing laboratory, R&D laboratory, common computing laboratory, and additional 2 industry supported lab. Actually, this the incubation company, the 2 companies are supported with our lab. That lab is a mobile application development lab and a cloud computing lab. So we provide a good high configuration systems with the actually our lab is working anytime you have to work it for a year. So we actually open a lab in morning 8 a.m. and evening up to evening 8 a.m. So the students are able to get a knowledge through 24 hours Wi-Fi facilities with the network, various laboratories they have to utilize, effectively utilize, and they get a knowledge. Many students they have to effectively utilize the lab and get a good placement opportunities. They have to increase their knowledge through the laboratory facilities. So these are the laboratories facilities for the students. So here mobile and R&D lab and advanced computing lab, common computing lab, network lab. So these are the facilities available in our college. So skill and placement training in our department, we have placement and training also is there. Continuous communication skill training for the first semester to eighth semester. So we start with the first year students the communication skill up to eighth semester. We have give a continuous training for the communication oriented and aptitude, logical reasoning, and verbal training for the first year to final year. We provide a technical training, Japanese language, and also the resume preparations, various tests we have to conduct it, and also we have to arrange a group discussion and mock interview, and finally we go for the placements. We placed a very good companies. Actually, this is the next slide that shows the placement in top level companies with higher packages. Our students actually most of the students they have to definitely place a good opportunities for with their higher level companies with higher packages. Nearly 5 to 6 lakhs they have to place in 2021-22 in the current batch students. Actually, 38 students are in our department, CSE departments. So here the TCS, Wipro, the most top level companies they have to get a opportunities. Actually, but till now, the 12 students got a placement with the TCS, Wipro, CSS, for and 2020-21 Joho, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, and Kanini Systems. So they have to 17 students get a good placement for the top level company, and 1920 15 students, and 1890 12 students. This is not only for the CSE students, other department students also get good placement for that computer oriented software companies. Actually, this year there's a lot of vacancies for the software company. So there is computer science students or IT students or mechanical students. So all the branch of students they have to apply for the top level company because TCS have 45,000 vacancies and Infosys is also a 20,000 vacancy and Wipro also have 40,000 vacancy. So more than top level companies, 5 or 6 companies have nearly 1 lakh and 30,000 vacancies there. So not only picking the CSE departments or IT department or ANDS students, they also picking pick up that various other departments. Mechanical students also get a placement, and agri students, biomedical students, and mechanical students. So all the departments, there's a good opportunities for that placement level. So we provide a good placement training and also technical training and also skill training also we provide. So definitely you achieve, you will get a top level companies with a higher level packages. Definitely we are sure that. So a good opportunity for the first year students. And also we provide um, computer science students now that making a good results in analytical examinations. Actually, last 4 to 5 years, every year we get a university ranks. Also, many students they have to participate in the R&D activities, conferences, and they also many students they have to publish research-oriented papers through various journals they have to publish, and also we encourage more entrepreneurships through startups. We suppose the students are some students are interested to join for the placement, and some students are go with start up with their own company. They have a good idea, they have good knowledge, they have to start up with a good company. So we have to motivate the entrepreneur through the startups. And also we encourage our department students to fill in more number of patents. So based on the R&D activities, we have to some students have a good idea. They have that idea will be solved for that society oriented problems. So that problems can be easily solved with some students have a good idea. So we motivate our department students to filling up more number of patents, and also we appreciate to increase in the sponsored research work. Okay, so various events, various activities we have to started. So definitely you get a place for a higher level companies with a higher top packages. So I think you choose a right college, you select a right college for this time, because more number of students, more have to select a most number of students in the various colleges, but definitely you selected a good college, and you definitely you will get a good placements, and also you have more knowledge compared to the other students, because our training also good, we are our academic oriented activities also good, and other related activities also are good. So I assume that you become a intellectual engineer, not a engineer. If you become an intellectual engineer, definitely you get a placements. So I think I share with my knowledge with all areas. So any doubts, any related queries, or any doubts arises, you feel free to contact me through college. You come to meet me in Department of Computer Science Engineering. To all the best students, thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.